Meaning of grad school.
Grad school.
Grad school.
Grad school.
Grad school. Grad school is a term commonly used to refer to graduate school, which is an advanced level of education beyond the undergraduate level. It offers specialized and more in-depth academic training and research opportunities in a particular field of study. Students who pursue graduate programs usually hold a bachelor's degree and wish to obtain advanced knowledge and skills in a specific field for career advancement or personal development. Grad school offers students the opportunity to gain a deeper understanding of their chosen field, conduct original research, and contribute to the academic community.